batsman strike Virat and Nilesh Salecha. Virat is on strike. Romit is the bowler, not Joel. First ball and a catch has been put down by the wicket keeper. Joel keeping the wickets. Puts that one to the onside easily down the ground. There is a fielder. First run on the board.
Kunal बाहर जा क्या ड्रॉप है इजी का शाबाश रोमित
Good ball just around off stump area.
शाबाश रोमित
Another dot ball. Last two more balls to go to complete over number one. Romit Jain is the bowler. Another dot ball. This is very good stuff. First over is underway. Last ball remaining to complete over number one. First three overs will be the mandatory power play.
ऑफसेट स्पिन होता था यार सिलेक्शन आया बार स्पिन करता ना सीधे रेडी हुआ मत
Jain. Well struck. Straight to the fielder. After one over, one run without any loss. Very good over from Romit Jain comes to an end. Another beauty. Clean bowler looks like. Yes, it is. Good bowling by Kshitij Jain. Cleans up the batsman. First wicket goes down. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Kshitij has got the breakthrough what the team needed desperately. New batsman. Anuj Jain, the new batsman, comes up to the middle. Very important player in the middle for PHC strikers. One for one. Catches the call. I don't think that will. Totally misjudged, but even though done well. The strong man Obama is the fielder. Couple of runs to the total. Anuj off the mark with that couple. Good shot, clears the infield. This will run away to the boundary. No need to run for that. First boundary and the welcome boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited.
Easy single. 4 easy single.
Cuts it well.
Lovely ball.
Finds the fielder even though they go through for a run. Last ball remaining to complete over number 2. Seven run, 1 wicket so far in this over. Last ball remaining.
पीछे भागना ready रहो.
Nilesh Salecha is on strike, yet to open his account. He played 4 deliveries. That's take that, make it 5. After 2 overs, 8 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Right arm fast bowler Prithvi Jain into the attack. Very disciplined bowler. Young man almost to run from the 30th circle. In this format is a fast bowler, I reckon you.
ವಿಪಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್
Played it reversely. No ball, signal by the umpire. Might just stepping at the popping squeeze. No ball in the freight. No? No ball? No ball? Run.
ಬಾಬಿ ಅವ್ರು
Nicely struck that one down the round, straight to extra cover. 1 run to the total. The score moves into the double digits. It's a 10 for 1. Third over, last over in the mandatory batting power play. Plain miss, well balled, good length ball, hit the deck hard, beats the batsman straight to the wicket keeper. Nilesh Salecha yet to open his account. He already played 6 deliveries.
शाबाश बिट्टू 4 बॉल आगे डाल ले
Make it 7.
बोले बिट्टू शाबाश बिट्टू बॉडी लैंग्वेज कमान बिट्टू
Another one. 8 balls for Nilesh Salecha. He's struggling big time. Two more balls to go to complete over number 3. 2.4 overs, 10 for 1. Good bowling attack maintained by Prithvi Jain. Engai, talented man, fast bowler. Another dot ball.
जा रहे कोई है बे कोई खेल जा तो जा इधर
Last ball remaining to complete over number 3.
नहीं तू हाथ देके खेल रहे हैं गेट नहीं गए
So far just 2 runs of it. Last ball remaining.
शाबाश शाबाश तो
Good shot. Finally, Nilesh Shalecha opens his account after playing 10 deliveries. Just 3 of it after 3 overs, 11 for 1. 1-1 for the loss of 1 wicket after 3 overs. Mandatory power play completed. Very important match for PHC strikers and Chintamani 11. If Chintamani 11 win this match, they can make their way to the semis. If PHC strikers win, they will stay alive in the contention. Kunal Kataria into the attack. Very good bowler, Kunal Kataria, young man.
रोमेल एक मिनट बस बस एक मिनट एक दो
Nilesh is on strike. He's on 1 run from 10 balls. Nilesh Shalecha. He's on strike. Played it down the ground. There is a man at long off. Prithvi Jain is the fielder. Very good fielding.
I dot this ए जा बाहर जा
Prithvi Jain, very good quick mover in the ground. Very good deep fielder.
पीछे जा अंदर आ अंदर आ
Anuj Jain is on 8 from 5. Magic ball. The sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom.
खिला खिला कुमार
Good chance for Anuj Jain. It's like a freight ball. Big swing and miss. Good ball from Kunal. Very good bowling this is. Still to come Chetan Nahar for the PHC strikers.
शाबाश शाबाश कुणाल
ball again, another dot.
आगे देखते
This is very good stuff from the bowlers of Chintamani 11 team. Kept things pretty tight.
देख रहे आगे भाई पीछे पीछे शबाश कुनो
Played it reversely. There is a fielder, and that went for the distance. Looks like. Yes, it is. The 6-run signal by the umpire. The 6 sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Anuj Jain used the reverse sweep to very good effect. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 4. Sweet sound. Hitting the point of the bat. Come back for the second. Last ball to go to complete over number 4.
वो वार तो बैठ की नहीं की देखो मैं शबाश कुनो
Again he played it reversely. There is a man in the deep. 1 run taken after 4 overs. 21 for 1. Attempting for the reverse shot. Wide ball called by the umpire. Extra run to the total. The runs are beginning to come for the PHC strikers when Anuj Jain comes up to the middle. He's a 19 from 11, Anuj Jain. Make it 20 out of 25 runs at 20 runs made by Anuj Jain. Nilesh Salecha is on 2 from 11, struggling.
Shabash stage.
Good ball, the batsman just away from the leg stump. That's why umpire not called as a white ball. Very good legal delivery. 25 for 1. Another 3 balls remaining in this Kshitij second over. Wide ball. It should be wide and it is.
Wide है.
The run rate improving a little.
शाबाश शाबाश तेज.
Plan miss. Good comeback. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 5. I think Nilesh Salechar retired out after scoring 2 runs in 13 balls. He's retired out. New batsman Chetan Nahar comes up to the middle. Stamp out, not retired out, stamp out. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor.
क्या चुके खेल को बैठ जा रहा है विकेट को लगा है. एक मिनट. पांच बॉल मारा है काय. हाँ माया माया. ए पृथ्वी. रोमेश लाइट रन नीचे वाला लाइट रन नीचे. देना यार थोड़ा यार लास्ट हो. बस. शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश.
Chetan Nahar is on strike. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 5. Trying for the big shot straight away. Last ball remaining.
नहीं है.
Good ball. After 5 overs, 26 for the loss of 2 wickets. Another 5 overs remaining. Current run rate under 6 runs per over. After 5 overs, 26 for 2. Looks like a Joel brought himself into the attack. Anuj Jain is on 20 from 12. He's on strike. Joel has got the variety. Want to play it reversely, but ball goes to the upside. Played with the soft hands. Can they push back for the second? No, they don't. They're quite happy with only a single. Down the leg side, white ball, likes to run. Just string down the leg side.
कतरो पतलो बढ़िया बे तू
Should get only be a one. Ronit Jain so quickly into a ball from the long off region. 30 for 2. Still current run rate 5.45. That need to be improved if they want to post a decent total on the board. That's up in the air
Takes the catch.
and taken.
Chetan.
Chetan Nahar has to be departed. This is a big body blow. The big fish. Catch up the match sponsored by Team Sporton. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. New batsman comes up to the middle after the dismissal of Chetan Nahar. It's a Pratik Jain. Very important wicket, solid wicket for Joel Dantewadia. This game makes definitely some difference in the organized score. But still Anuj Jain in the center. As long as he out in the center, there is a definitely chance of scoring a comparative score. Last 2 balls remaining to complete 1 over 6. Goes on the back foot, played it down the ground to the offside. Pratik off the mark with that single. Last ball to go, 31 for 3. Down the leg side, white ball called by the umpire, very good call. Played it nicely down the ground, controlled shot from Anuj Jain. 33 for 3 after 6 overs. 6 overs completed with 33 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. Last of 4 overs remaining. They need to up the ante now. They need to put the pedal, they need to put their feet on the pedal, accelerator pedal. Anuj Jain has got the capability of doing so. Bowler Prithvi. Fine.
शाबाश पृथ्वी.
Attempting for the reverse shot. Doesn't get it right.
आणि लेंथ बड़ा अच्छे पड़े. वो बस के रोटी कर. हाँ. शाबाश शाबाश पृथ्वी.
The dog is moving inside the ground. Lovely shot, straight down the ground. Straight to deep long off. Ronit Jain, very quick.
अंदर अंदर.
40 for 3, 6.3 overs out of 40, 30 runs scored by Anuj Jain. He is the bulk of the scorer.
पृथ्वी. स्कोर ज्यादा हो गया बॉल से.
Catches the cow, not carried to the fielder. 1 run to the total. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 7. 41 for 3. After this match, next match, Black Caps taking on Lavish. Almost a semi-final match, almost a final match. Most awaited match in this tournament. Don't go away.
सिंगल.
Put a bat on ball. Ronit Jain gets a single. Ronit Jain is quite busy on that long, deep long off area. The ball following the fielder. Last one remaining to complete over number 7. 42 for 3.
एक और तेरा वाला ना तेरा वाला.
दो बारिश आपको हुआ है.
Swing and miss. That's it. 7 overs gone. 42 for 3.
6 runs per over.
They are scoring exactly 6 runs per over. After 7 overs, 42 for 3. Joel Dantivalia into the attack. Straight away starts off with a dot ball.
All good, player.
Anuj Jain is on strike. He's on 31 from 20. Anuj Jain.
Come on, 12 go!
Very good contest. Experienced batsman, experienced bowler. This is a nice contest. That's up in the air. And taken. What a catch. Who is the catcher? It's a Kshitij Jain is the catcher. That's a beauty. This is a big wicket again. Anuj Jain want to play straight down the ground. Unfortunately, didn't time it well. Holds down in the hands of Kshitij Jain in the deep. He is not happy. Swing, good ball, well ball by Joel.
96. 96. बोलो भैया लास्ट मैच इसके बाद और एक
Oh, good chant from the Nobel. Dr. Mishal produced the boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Last 2 balls remaining, 46 for 4. Good cut shot. Classic cut.
Never mind, bro. On your boys.
Bye bye bye.
Single, Mayur.
Oh, misfield. This is sloppy. Your bowler is bowling so well. Your teammates are taking very good catches. And missing like this, real unnecessary sloppy work in the deep. At deep square leg, 48 for 4, last ball remaining. Mayuk looks like is the fielder. 1.5 over, 13 for 2 strokes so far for Joel Dantivalia. Last ball remaining in the fielder. Want to play fine indeed. Missed it. 8 gone, 48 for 4. Last 2 overs remaining. After 8 overs, 48 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. Last 2 overs to go. will going to be the last 2 overs. One should bowled by Joel, definitely. Correct. Looks like have got the option. Ronit Jain, Kunal Kataria. Looks like Kunal Kataria will bowl his second over of his spell and the penultimate over, 9th over.
बैककीपर चेंज भैया इधर जा नहीं तो क्या फील्डिंग कर रहा भाई रोमेट एक्स्ट्रा कवर आओ
बोल तन मैं
बस बस
मो डगोट रोड कमेंट रोड
हां बोले कीपर बोलना डाल डाल डाल
Kunal Kataria bowling to Pratik Jain. He starts off with a dot ball. Kunal would start to the over.
लास्ट में तुम हां ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಶನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್
Well, striking the air. Good fielding. Good anticipation by the fielder. Keep it down to 1.
शाबाश कुनो
And looks like another dot ball. 49 for 4. 3 balls remaining in this over.
come on कुनाल
And then I think it's outside edge. And is the gunner looks like. Yes. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sport and wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. 49 for 4. Mishal has to depart. Third umpire has been called for.
पृथ्वी फील्डर नेम
Third umpire has been called for. Rishabh Pomani is the fielder. It referred to the third umpire. इन कौन है बैट्समैन पे जोएल है
बैटिंग पृथ्वी जुगल ये भव्य लास्ट मैच है तुम्हारा बाद है हमारा 20,000 से बाद चला तो हो गया 100 हो गया कितना बड़ी जगह 49 for 5 out sir
out is the verdict from the third umpire. 49 for 5. Last 2 more balls to go.
शाश्वत शाह ये ने एक मिनट में फोटो देखो पतला पतला कौन है अल्लाह लेगा वो अंडो करो तू क्या बे अंडो करो यार
नेक्स्ट टाइम बड़ा करता है
इन्हें जेल डाल दिया
फील्डर नेम क्या?
ऋषभ
Pomani.
शाश्वत जैन
दो भी हो
New batsman Shashwat Shah.
जैन
49 for 5, last 2 balls remaining to complete this over. That's up in the air. This should be taken and taken comfortably. I think no, it's not taken. Adjusted well, unable to hold on to it. 50 comes up for finally. 50 run comes up for the PSC strikers. Last ball remaining in this over number 9. Shashwat Jain of the mark.
खिला
Plain miss. Over completed. 9 over gone. 50 for 5. Last over to go. I think it looks like Joel Dantiavadia will bowl over number 10 and a third over of a spell.
हाँ पापा इन्ना कोई कोई
Shashwat is on strike. 9 gone. 50 for 5.
हाँ पापा
Starts off with an extra. White ball. 51 for 5.
ಒಂದು ವೈಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ
बॉबी यार में नहीं था ना बेला नंबर देख
That's up in the air. The back for the couple. 53 for 5. This time ball goes to the offside. Looks like they should back for the second. Another couple of runs. Good running by both duos. 55 for 5. 5-5 for the loss of 5 wickets. Again he goes. And this time again put down. Who is the culprit? कौन है फील्डर हो ना राहुल कौन है फील्डर हो second time Akshay is the fielder. Second time he put down a catch. And would you believe it? He has got butter to his palms.
कोई नहीं देना
Almost a third wicket for Joel.
अक्षय भैया कमान रेडी रहेंगे
The fielder Akshay not supporting. 58 for 5. 3 balls remaining.
जोएल भैया
Pratik Jain is on strike.
जोएल भैया
भैरना बुला रहे ना
రిటైర్డ్ అవుట్
హెల్ప్ రన్నర్
చేతన్ రావట్ నా ఆల్రెడీ
బైరన్నర్
बाहर हो। ऐसे आओ, थोड़ा ऐसे आओ।
బ్యాట్స్మ్యాన్
looks like
पीछे जाओ। बस बस उधर ही पीछे जाओ।
Chepanar came as a helper. Last 3 more balls to go. Plain miss, 12 ball duel. Last 2 more balls to go. 58 for 5. Again plain miss. Another dot ball. Last ball to go. 58 for 5. You need to hit at least a boundary or a 6.
बैटिंग यार सब
In the air, Obama, and put down by Obama also. Out. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor, 59 for 6 after 10 overs. 60 is the target. 59 for 6.
थर्ड में आउट है भैया
That means the 60, 61 is the target. They have taken 2, 1 to bat for the third, they are run out. 60 for 6 after 10 overs. 61 is the target for Chintaman 11 team. We will work shortly, stay with us.
कौन आउट हुआ इन्हें
प्रतीक मारा सर प्रतीक वहाँ जल्दी जाना और बे वो मैच पे इनिंग्स तक जाना
और राहुल राहुल आओ आओ So 61 is the target. In 10 overs, just over 10 runs per over required run rate. In fact, just over 6 runs per over required run rate. Jasraj is on his way. Bowling to Prithvi. Good shot. Clears the infield. The ball range away to the boundary. First boundary and a welcome boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Very good shot. Slight room outside the off stump. He is on put in a flash. Prithvi. Prithvi is a natural striker of the ball. He opens his account and the team account with that wonderful boundary. Turn to the offside. Play it again on the offside. This time he takes a single. 1 run to the total, 5 runs on the board. First over, 2 balls bowled. Janam Jackie is on strike. Janam Sanklecha, that's his full name. Right hand batsman. Full toss, put away. But there is a fielder, a deep square leg in front of square on the inside. Janam Jackie off the mark. 1 run to the total. Swing and miss, very good ball from Jasraj. He knew that Prithvi trying to hit the ball hard, bowled a length ball, last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 1, 6 without any loss so far. Played it on the onside, they will go through for the run. Gets it comfortably, another single, the score moves up to 7, last ball to go. Janam Jackie is on strike, last ball remaining. White ball, extra run. 8 without any loss. Oh, very good shot. Beats the man at square leg on the onside. That will run away to the boundary. Boundary 2 in the over. Expensive over, 12 of it. After 1 over, 12 run without any loss. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. First 3 overs will be the mandatory power play. The batsmen want to take much use of those 3 power play overs. Looks like Anuj Jain will come to bowl. Anuj Jain. Anuj Jain bowling to Prithvi, left-hand batsman. This is quite interesting to see. Both are experienced. Chiku Bhavesh. Good ball. Drawing the batsman forward to play the ball. Nicely delivered by Anuj Jain. He is a very experienced man. Genuine all-rounder. Today scored well, but couldn't capitalize on that. Again swing and miss. Another dot ball. This is very good stuff from Anuj Jain.
Umpire.
Another low white ball. Just outside the guideline. Extra run to the total. Looks like a almost a very good ball, but white signal by the umpire. Good shot. Inside out. Over extra cover. That will run away to the boundary. Nice shot by Prithvi. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. The score moves up to 17 after a flying start by the Chintamani 11 team opening batsmen Prithvi and Janam Jackie. Game goes. Looks like there is a fielder. Just a single. Last two balls remaining. 18 without any loss. Janam Jackie is on strike facing Anuj Jain. Played it nicely down the ground, takes a single. Score moves up to 19. Last ball to go to complete over number 2, 19 without any loss. They are scoring well at the moment. Now Prithvi is on strike. This is interesting to see. Played it down the ground, man at mid-on. Single to the total, 2 overs gone, 20 without any loss. They are scoring exactly 10 runs per over at the moment. Last over remaining in the power play. After 2 overs, 20 without any loss. This is BJC Cup 2026 Season 6 playing at the Wadla Cricket Ground, Ballari. Who is going to be bowled the next over in the batting power play? Wait. एक बॉल डालने के बाद डालो पहले पारों में गड़बड़ नहीं करना. उन्होंने इधर क्या डालना पड़ता, हम क्या इधर दबाना पड़ता खाली. Riyansh into the attack. And guy Riyansh, very line and length bowler. Prithvi is on 12 from 9. He is on strike facing Riyansh. Just going good beyond the wicket keeper. Ball running over to the boundary. 1 run taken. Just only be 1, I think. 1 run to the total. Should have to go for the second, but decided against it. Janam Jackie is on strike facing Riyansh. Riyansh is kind of a bowler who always look for wickets. Young man, thin guy, but has got the talent. Played it with ease. Down the ground. Another single. Runs are coming quite easily for the Chintamani 11 team. They are playing risk-free cricket at the moment. They are collecting runs easily. If PSC strikers want to bounce back in this match, they need to put some brakes on the scoring. Prithvi is on strike. Looks like an edge. Has he taken? Yes, he has. Prithvi departs. This is a big wicket. Faint edge and wicketkeeper dives well and takes a nice catch. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sporton. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Chetan. New batsman comes up to the middle. Romit Jain looks like. Is he? One left-hand batsman replaces another left-hander. Romit Jain also very good clean striker of the ball. (22 for 1), third over in progress. As I mentioned, Riyansh is a really talented man. He will always produce you a breakthrough. Just outside of the off stump, inviting the batsman to go for the drive. He drives well, but finds an edge and straight to the wicketkeeper. Look for a quick single, mix up, totally mix up. And gone. It's a Jainam Jackie departs. Back-to-back wickets for PHC strikers. Yes, no, totally miscommunication. Hesitation in between the both batsmen that resulted in a form of a run-out of Jainam Jackie. Both openers back in the hat. This is a good breakthrough by the PHC strikers. New batsman, Joel, comes up to the middle. शेख भाई डालो थोड़ा फर्स्ट रन को चौट हुआ देखो
फर्स्ट रन को चौट
Jainam Jackie out हुआ. Joel comes up to the middle. पूछो नहीं तो बोलते हो ना सीखो अच्छा. 22 for 2. Catches the call. एक रन लिए लिए जोएल जोएल है Joel is on strike. Outside the off stump. White ball.
लाइन के अंदर है
24 for 2. Last ball remaining to complete over number 3. So far 4 runs in this over and 1 wicket for Riyan. So very good bowling. Last ball to go. Played it nicely down the ground to the short third man. Misfield and into the boundary. Really lucky Joel on the time. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. After 3 overs of mandatory power play, 28 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. 4th over to go. This is a very good recognized pair, Joel and Romit Jain. After 3 overs, 28 for 2. First Prithvi, then Jainam Jackie, both openers back in the hat. After a promising start, who will bowl the over number 4? Anuj Jain. Looks like, yes he is. Second over for Anu Jain, already 1 over, 8 run. Left-handed Romit is on strike. White ball, extra run to the total. 42 ball, 32 runs needed for Chintamani level team. Want to play that one to the onside, ball didn't come out of the bat. 41 ball, 32 runs. क्या तो नहीं है तो पूछो भाई को. Good shot. That's up in the air. And he clears the boundary rope easily. That's 6. Take that. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Romit Jain used his long handle to a very good effect. 40 ball, 26 runs needed. The required run rate under control, which is 3.90 at the moment. Required run rate. Only the way PHC strikers win this match by taking wickets. The ball by Anu Jain. 39 ball, 26 runs. Another beauty. We have got 2 ICC panel umpires sitting in the dugout. Mr. Surya, Mr. Lakshmi Sagar.
फुटबॉल खेल ले रहे हैं.
Good ball. Reflectively turned umpire, the third umpire given it's a good ball. Good ball. Dot. 38 ball, 26 runs. Hey, जाओ उधर, जाओ. Hey, जा. Goes again, and he gets another boundary. Romit Jain looking good in the middle for the Chintamani 11 team. 37 ball, 22 runs needed. Already 11 runs in this over. Productive boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Limited. Again he goes, this time very good connection. Looks like that will go all the way, is it? No. Sound अच्छा पड़ा उसका. Four overs completed, 39 for 2. 11 runs off it. After 4, 39 for 2. Fifth over to go. It's going to be ball the over number 5. Magic ball. The sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom. Riansh will bowl the over number 2 of his spell. It's a magic ball. Jewel is on strike. कुछ भी नहीं करना. Rian, she's on his way, magic ball. Swing and miss. Well ball, Rianch. Magic ball that went as a dot delivery. Good ball from Rianch.
35 balls.
35 ball, 22 runs needed still. Played it to pushes it, that one to the offside. Slight misfield, can they back for the second? No, they don't. They will settle for only a single. 34 ball, 21 runs. Rumi Jain is on strike. This is interesting to see. White ball. The bowler under pressure. 30 ball, 4 balls, 20 runs required. Another white ball. Still 19 to get in 34 balls. Slowly but surely, Chintamani 11 team inching towards the victory. Gone, Romit dispounds. Jenny Nick and straight to the wicketkeeper. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sporton. Wicket sponsored by gets his second wicket. Very good bowling from Rianch. Oh, beauty. 32 ball, 19 runs required. 42 for 3, 4.4 overs, last 2 balls remaining in this over number 5. 32 ball, 19 get. 19 to get. Required run rate, not a problem, 3.56 required run rate. Catches the call, just Shashwat is the fielder. 1 run to the total. 31 ball, 18 runs. Thirty-one ball, 18 runs required. So 5 on, 43 for 3, 30 ball, 18 runs required.
लोकेश होगी उठा तरला का लोकेश हो गया रा ಏನೇಳಿ
ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ತರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಯಾರು ಹೋಗ್ಯಾರ
ಹುಸೇನ್ ಸಾಬ್
ಅವನೇನು
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕುಶಲ್
यश भैया बॉलर कौन है?
Virat into the attack. 30 ball, 18 runs. Kshitij Jain is on strike. Good shot. That's a lovely shot over the fielder's head into the boundary. Much needed boundary really. Kshitij Jain gets his first boundary. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. 29 ball, 14 runs needed.
इसको एक मारना है, छोड़ के मत
Next match, Black Caps versus Lavish. The most awaited match in this tournament. Almost a rehearsal of semi-final or a final. Played it fine. Want to back for the second? No, they don't. Just a single.
नहीं भागा ना, भाग बोला
28 ball, 13 runs. Oh, good shot. That's a biggie. That is. That's way back into the crowd. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. It's a Joel Dantyamadia, the captain, leading by the front. Again he goes on the onside. That's another 6. Scores are level. Another Bharat Aerospace Private Limited 6. Back-to-back 6s. The scores are level. Already 17 runs in this over. 2 balls to go. Scores are level. Boundary, couple of 6s.
स्टेज माते बॉल
लेके आओ जा मजा आ जाएगा.
Again he played that one to the onside. That's another 6. That's it. It's all over. 3 consecutive 6s. Chintamani team win this match comprehensively.